Okay, next question is describe the preparation of 250 ml of 50 ppm solution of silver nitrate from solid chemical. Okay, so means that this is question of describe the preparation, right? Okay, means that, okay, remember this is the preparation of solution, so we have to calculate and write the sentence. Okay, so prepare in 250 ml volumetric plus. Okay, so given 50 ppm of silver nitrate from solid chemical. Okay, so preparation of solution, either raw material solid, standard reagent, or liquid concentrated acid or base. Okay, so from solid reagent, right? Okay, so we have to find mass. Okay, we have to find mass of silver nitrate. Okay, but the information given is 50 ppm silver nitrate. So how we want to find the gram silver nitrate? Okay, so remember, if ppm we have to know the terms. Okay, either weight per volume, or volume per volume. So in this case, it involves what terms? Okay, it involves volume here, right? And also mass here. Okay, so it under weight per volume. So the unit we use is, okay, for example, I use unit milligram per liter. Okay, so get the mass of silver nitrate in gram. Alright, so we do the comparison. 50 ppm silver nitrate equals to 50 milligram per liter. So in 1 liter or 1000 ml, 50 milligram silver nitrate. Okay, but in volume 250 ml. Okay, so how much the milligram of silver nitrate? Okay, so do the comparison. So we will get 12.5 milligram silver nitrate. Okay, you change to gram. Alright, change to gram, just time with exponent -3. Right, so we'll get 0.0125 gram silver nitrate. Okay, this one part calculation. Okay, part sentence. Okay, don't forget this is the question, describe the preparation. So weight accurately 0.0125 gram silver nitrate, dissolved in small amount of water. Okay, next transfer to 250 ml volumetric flask. Okay, next dilute. Okay, dilute with distilled water. Okay, it's like we prepare the solution, standard solution. Dilute with distilled water until calibration mark, and last, okay, shake upside down. Then you have prepared 50 ppm silver nitrate. The volume is 250 ml. Okay. Next is question, describe the preparation of 0.5 liter 50 ppm of chlorine from solid potassium chloride. Okay, so this is same under preparation of solution, right? Okay, so from raw material, solid standard reagent or liquid concentrated acid. Okay. Given question from solid potassium chloride, right? So under solid reagent, it has two parts. Okay, first, directly from molecule. Okay, contoh soalan yang sulfur nitrate tadi. The other one is solid standard reagent given ion. Okay. Given concentration ion. Okay. But later on, you have to find gram molecule also. Okay. Sebab kita timbang tu adalah yang from complete molecule. Okay. Not exist as ion. So, in this case, given concentration ion from molecule. Okay, so last kali memang kita akan cari juga potassium chloride punya mass yang kita akan timbang tu. Okay, so in this question, you terus tulis molecule. Okay, in 1 mole of molecule potassium chloride, how much number of mole of chlorine? Okay, so in 1 mole potassium chloride, there's 1 mole of chlorine ion. Okay. Okay, next same technique. If ppm, okay, from solid, so melibatkan gram dan ada volume. Okay. So either you use unit gram per ml times exponent 6, okay, or milligram per liter. Okay, either one. So if I use milligram per liter, kita akan compare. Okay, 50 ppm chlorine in 1 liter, so there are 50 milligram chlorine. If 500 ml, so we will get 25 milligram chlorine. Okay, so the relationship from gram ion, you find mole ion. Okay, from equation, find mole molecule. And last, you find gram molecule. Okay, itu yang kita akan timbang. Okay, so first gram ion here, and then find number of mole ion, which is mole of chlorine. Okay, so 25 exponent -3 gram times atomic weight. Okay, and then get the mole of chlorine. And then from equation, okay, so tadi saya terus buat equation 1 mole KCl equal to 1 mole chlorine. So because same number of moles, so same number of molecule potassium chloride. And then find the mass. Okay, from mole molecule time molar mass molecule. Okay, here potassium plus chloride. Okay, so you will get gram. Kita akan timbang gram potassium chloride. Okay, so this is question preparation of solution. 0.0524 gram potassium chloride with and then dissolve in small amount of water, transfer to 500 ml volumetric flask, dilute with distilled water until calibration mark and shake. Okay, untuk soalan yang macam ni, you have to do the equation, okay, and the relationship here. Okay, next calculation, this one soalan calculate. So you just calculate. Okay. So same like previous, from calculate the mass of gram barium nitrate need to prepare 50 ml solution 100 ppm nitrate. Okay, ini given ion concentration. Okay, so you have to find gram molecule. Okay, bila soalan macam ni terus buat equation yang berkaitan tadi, 1 mole barium nitrate. Okay, how many number of mole of nitrate? Okay, there are 2 mole of NO3. So do the comparison. Find number of mole of ion. Okay, from equation, find number of mole of molecules, and then mass of molecules. Okay, this is example. You can look at the example below. Okay, find the percentage weight per volume and percentage weight per weight. Okay, given density, just follow the formula. Okay, this is the exercise. You can try given answer here and then you check your answer. Okay, so this is example of past year question, December 2019. Okay, question 1A. Differentiate between qualitative and quantitative. Okay, so this one you have to give the example. Okay, for qualitative, to identify what, and also for quantitative. Alright. So you have to differentiate between both type of analysis. For B, calculate how many grams of potassium dichromate is needed to prepare 100 ml solution containing 25 part per million potassium ion. Okay, so this is to prepare solution from solid chemical reagent. Okay, but the information given is 25 ppm ion, potassium ion from potassium dichromate. Okay, so here you have to get the gram of potassium dichromate. Okay, before that you have to get the gram of potassium ion. Okay, remember that I mentioned in previous question. Okay, you must first get the unit. Okay, unit for ppm under what terms. Okay, from that find gram potassium ion and then mole potassium ion. Okay, and then from equation. Okay, so from equation, 1 mole potassium dichromate, how many number of mole of potassium? Okay, you just look at the molecules. Okay, there are 2 moles of potassium. Alright, and then from that you will get mole of potassium dichromate, and then you can calculate mass of molecule. Okay, so 25 ppm in what terms? Okay, it involves gram and also it involves volume, so under weight per volume, and then I'm using unit milligram per liter. Okay, so find the gram of potassium. Okay, you do the comparison. Okay, in milligram, 25 milligram in 1 liter or 1000 ml. So if 100 ml, how many milligram of potassium? potassium. Okay, so this is the at here. Okay, we want to find gram iron or gram potassium. So here we for milligram per liter 25 ppm means that 25 milligram in 1 liter or 1000 ml. So if I want to prepare 100 ml, how many milligram of potassium ion? Okay, so we will get here 2.5 milligram potassium. Okay, next find mole potassium ion. Okay, we have to do one by one. Okay, so mole potassium ion. So you have to know the atomic weight. Okay, so 2.5 milligram we change to gram times exponent -3 gram. Okay, divide by atomic weight potassium is 39 gram per mole. So you will get 6.41 exponent -5 mole potassium. Okay, don't make a mistake. Okay, usually student mistake here. Okay, here you find mole potassium ion. So mass K plus potassium ion divided by atomic weight potassium ion. Okay, third from equation here, find number of mole potassium dichromate. Okay, so do the comparison from stoichiometry equation. Okay, so mole potassium ion. Okay, times with, we want to find mole molecules, so times with 1 mole potassium dichromate divided by 2 mole potassium ion. Then you can cancel unit potassium. Okay, so the mole molecules is 3.205 exponent -5 mole. Okay, potassium dichromate. Number 5, find the mass potassium dichromate. Okay, so mole potassium dichromate previously times with molecular weight potassium dichromate. So you have to find one by one the molecular weight. Okay, so mole potassium dichromate times molecular weight potassium dichromate. Okay, so cancel unit mole, you get gram. So the answer 0.0094 gram potassium dichromate. Okay, this question asks you to calculate the grams of molecule. Okay, given 25 part per million ion to prepare in 100 ml volumetric flask. So if you see the information given concentration from ion, okay, ion from molecule, so you just straight away write the balance equation that involving molecule and ion. Okay, and then follow the flow, okay, from mass ion, find mole, ion, find mole, molecule, and mass. Okay, another question from December 2019. Okay, so question, sodium carbonate is a primary standard. Okay, so used to standardize hydrochloric acid. Explain the preparation of 500 ml solution that contain 0.67 mole per liter sodium ion from solid sodium carbonate. Okay, so this is question explain variation that you must involve calculation and sentence how to prepare. Okay, so and then you must know either from solid reagent or liquid. Okay, if solid you have to find mass. If from liquid you have to find volume, how much transfer. Okay, so here solid, so you find mass. Given concentration, okay, but now concentration in unit molarity of ion, okay, from sodium carbonate. Okay, so actually the same like previous. So you straight away find the equation. 1 mole sodium carbonate equal to how many number of mole of sodium? Okay, look here. So there are 2 mole of sodium. Okay. So given here concentration ion, okay, you find the mass of mass sodium carbonate, okay, from mass from concentration. So daripada sini awak boleh dapat mole, dah skip yang 4 gram tadi, dah dia boleh dapat mole and then mole sodium carbonate and mass. Okay, so you try to do this question. The last answer is 17.76 gram sodium carbonate. Okay, last answer must be gram of molecule. Okay, and then this one have sentence 5. Okay, so and then try answer tutorial question and discuss with your lecturer. Okay, that's all. Thank you.